Oh, nice. Ano ba itong pinaglalaro ni Jelana? Busy na naman. Diyos. Oo. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Yeah, mahal kita. Love you. Salamat po. Say salamat po. Salamat. Say salamat po. Say salamat po. Ayan, 6:30 na tayo. Aba, sana mabot nga yan. O, sana mabot ng 1,000 yan. Hindi nawala. Ate Dong is playing for you. Be careful.
My turn. And I do this. Do I want. Okay.
Where are you biking? What happened now? Oh, she wants you to bike? No, she can do the bike as long as on the road. On the floor. You do one legs and then on the floor is the other. Oh, naka 40,000 na tayo. Let's go to the garage now. You wanna go to the garage? Ang gulo ah. No, she cannot. She's too big now. You wanna go to the garage? You wanna roller skate with Jade? Do you want to put it back to the old one then? Then use the old one. Naka 40,000 na tayo, guys. Sumobra na sa goal natin. Oh! Oh! Jade, go after her.
I'm gonna get you.
Do you want the roller? Do you want the roller blade? The hoverboard then? Come and play with her, please. Come on. Ayan na naman. Diyos me, Marimar. Beep, beep. Nag-break siya. You're taking a break? What happened?
Look at this. That's hiding. No, no.
What happened? No, no. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand.
Wash your bum. Wash your bum. Everything's okay.
Oh, Daddy. Run, Dad, run. Huh?